Percy, sit. Those are my little Twinkie boys. Goodness, you're just a purr monster, huh? This one is so sweet and so social. He is just having the best time figuring out he can jump and climb on things. He was pet of the week before last. Or last week, I guess. And then my little gray one was pet of the week yesterday. But yeah, they've grown up, and I have two new ones. Those are my two new ones. What? And the other ones are playing in the back somewhere. Percy, stay. Meow. Alright, well there's your little update for the moment. I have a longer file to upload, but it won't do it from my phone. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is it, little boy? Percy. Well, yep, that's what's going on in my house. Alright, y'all have fun. Good night. Say bye. Oh, yeah. Love it.